a glass frog. No bigger than your fingernail and almost entirely transparent. Almost everything that walks past here could eat him, even a cricket. His best chance is to stay absolutely still, danger past. And that's just as well, because for the last few weeks, females, one after the other, have visited him and entrusted him with their offspring. But in the jungle, there's always someone out to get you. This wasp is a specialist hunter of frogs' eggs. He mustn't move. The youngest eggs are the most vulnerable, and he can't guard them all. Incredibly, the unhatched tadpoles can sense danger, and the oldest and strongest wriggle free and drop into the stream below. But the male's back looks very like the youngest cluster of eggs. And that seems to confuse the wasps. He's managed to save most of his young. He'll have to remain on guard for another 2 weeks.